This week NASDAQ has moved strongly up, and we can see after the Friday decision candle, the price has formed a small bullish candle on a Monday, and after that continued to rise in value. Only on a Wednesday, the price has formed a small bearish candle body, but the price was moving higher, and also the wick on the upper side is larger than the wick on the lower side, which means there was a stronger bullish momentum pushing the price higher. And then on a Thursday and a Friday, the price has reached the next resistance, 24,090, and we can see it is a weekly bullish candle. It is a bullish candle that has also moved above this area of resistance, which is strong, again bullish move, which means a bullish momentum is still continuing to move the price up. The monthly time frame, again bullish, we can see that clearly, nothing too much complicated to see here. On the monthly time frame, we have 2 more weeks until this month closes. What everything is pointing, it is pointing that we will see the price moving higher. For now, what I can see, I have the next resistance level 24,996.69, which is very close to the 25,000. It's a round number, so it will be a very important for the price to reach that and then potentially retrace back down because of the round number psychological level. But we'll see what happens before that. On the daily time frame, there is also no resistance levels here in between, but we'll see how the price will react, and also will it manage to create some of these levels in between this area of support and resistance. For now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that I have several of these resistance levels before the price reaches 25,000. We'll see, will the price respect them, 24 to 61.70 during the week, and also especially during the day. Intraday trading, feel free to check also the link below in the description if you would like to receive the updates when there is a bullish or bearish breakout happening on the market, and also where is the potentially the price is moving. For now, I am more inclined to see the price moving higher for the NASDAQ, because the price is currently moved outside of this resistance level, supply zone, which was preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. So I'm more inclined to see the price moving to the higher price levels, to the bullish targets higher, about 24,000, where the price currently is. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.